The Taoiseach has described the Great Famine as the most traumatic event in our recorded history. Micheál Martin said nowhere suffered greater mortality than Connacht, with the loss of nearly 500,000 people. He was speaking at the 19th National Famine Commemoration in Portumna, County Galway.
This is the first time the state commemoration has taken place in Galway. The Taoiseach said that by the end of 1846, all workhouses in Galway were full, squalid and perfect sites for diseases like cholera and typhus. Hundreds of people attended the ceremony on the site of the old Portumna workhouse and graveyard.
When we look at the modern world, we should understand that there is no such thing as an unavoidable famine. At all times and in every circumstance, they result from the action and inaction of others. In Sudan and in Gaza, we are seeing mass hunger because of genocidal conflict and disregard for basic humanitarian values.
The event included music and poetry inspired by the famine, including a haunting lament written in 1846 by a tenant farmer in Athenry.
Ach fáam a gocharna is overmanged, gur love na prati, gan siuk na sheen.
If you were poor in Ireland in the 1840s, your choice was stark. Workhouses like this in Portumna, immigration, debt, or maybe all three.
Later, the Taoiseach unveiled a commemorative plaque, and children from 5th class at St Brendan's National School in Portumna assisted in the planting of a native Irish oak tree. There was a solemn laying of wreaths, followed by a minute's silence. Teresa Mannion, RTE News, Portumna, County Galway.